Hello everyone, my name is Phước. I'm come from Lychee group. My group also had two members, Phương and Thi. You will miss them in the next part. Now I will talk about the first part. What's a Web 3.0? The Web 3.0 Internet generation of the World Wide Web, which promised to revolutionize the way we interact with the Internet. Unlike its predecessor, Web 2.0 was mainly focused on user-generated content, social networking, and collaboration. Web 3.0 aimed to leverage emerging technologies like blockchain, artificial intelligence, and decentralized systems to create a more intelligent, secure, and decentralized web. Web development has come a long way since the early days of static HTML page. The introduction of Web 2.0 marks a shift towards more dynamic, interactive, and user-centric web application. With Web 3.0, we are moving towards a more decentralized and intelligent web can thus support the next wave in innovative application. About the features of the Web 3.0, the first, decentralization. One of the key features of the Web 3.0 is a decentralized nature. Unlike Web 2.0, where most web applications are centralized and controlled by a few large corporations, Web 3.0 aims to create a more distributed and democratic web. Blockchain technologies, which underpin most Web 3.0 applications, enables peer-to-peer transactions and eliminates the need for intermediaries. This not only makes the web more secure and transparent, but also empowers users to have a more control over their data and digital identity. And the second, artificial intelligence. AI is another key feature of the Web 3.0, with the increasing availabilities of the large data sets and powerful computing resources. AI technologies are becoming more accessible to developers. This means that Web 3.0 applications can use machine learning algorithms to improve users' experiences, automate tasks, and provide more personalized recommendations. And the third, securities. Securities are also security features of the Web 3.0. As the web becomes more decentralized and user-centric, there is a need for stronger security measures to protect user data and prevent cyber attacks. And the fourth, semantic web. Semantic web is study of the relationship between words. Therefore, the semantic web, according to journalists, enable computers to analyze lots of data from the web, which include content, transaction, and link between persons.
Hi guys, my name is Phương and I'm from Group 20, so this is my part to talk about the advantages and disadvantages of the Web 3.0. As with any technology, there are pros and cons to how the Web 3.0 will affect the lives of web users and the internet as a whole. First, we come to the first part. What is the potential benefits of Web 3.0 for individuals and businesses? Well, broadly speaking, Web 3.0 has numerous potential advantages that could impact the lives of users and push the digital economy in years ahead. Some of the Web 3.0 can be included that the first we have the control with less login risk than decentralized models. Users have more control over their online identity and data. The second we have the transparencies. Users have more clarity about how transactions are occurred and how decisions are made. The resilience, but also other advantages that the improve resilience for the application delivery result from the distributed nature of centralized networks that don't rely on central authorities. The other advantages of the Web 3.0 can be figured out is still by the personalizations. The Web 3.0 models can enable more customizations and personalization for online interactions that the users may need to do their work. Additionally, we also have the predictive intelligence. Embedding AI in ML could make the Web 3.0 smarter and more responsive to the users than its predecessors. Next, we have the privacies. Among the decentralized nature of the Web 3.0 provides a potential privacy benefit to users that were not possible in the prior generation of the web. Lastly, we have the benefits about decentralized finance. The ability to conduct transactions, include buying and selling products and services, as long as securing loans without need of approval by a central authority could be an important benefit for many users of Web 3.0. While the Web 3.0 certainly has many positive attributes, it also comes with its own downsides and risks that must be taken into considerations. Among the cons of Web 3.0 are, firstly, we have the complexity. The Web 3.0 relies on the blockchain's decentralized network, and smart contract can make it significantly more complex for the average users to understand than the Web 3.0. Secondly, we have the security. The complexity of this foundational Web 3.0 technologies also make it a non-trivial challenge for individuals to keep their activities secure, especially in light of widely reported cybersecurity incidents and the growing awareness of many risks of blockchain applications and cryptocurrency exchanges. Disadvantages of the Web 3.0, we have the regulatory concerns. The lack of central authority makes Web 3.0 more challenging to regulate. As such, the regulatory and the compliance regimes that make to keep online commerce and other web activities safe for the user are similarly not present, and as they are present, they are not effective. The next disadvantages of the Web 3.0 from my point of view is the technology requirements. The blockchain and distributed applications of the Web 3.0 are often resources intensive, which means they won't run well if it all is on the older hardware. Well, the last but not least disadvantages of the Web 3.0 is the lack of interoperability of the Web 2.0. The Web 2.0 is larger based on decentralized models. At the same time, the Web 3.0 is decentralized, meaning the web users are likely to continue using old versions for sometimes to continue benefiting from the Web 3.0 applications.
Hello, my name is Jyoti, and here I will talk about Web 3.0 application. The first application is decentralized finance or DeFi. This is one of the most visible Web 3.0 applications. It is a type of financial system that uses blockchain technology such as Ethereum network in contrast to traditional finance. DeFi eliminates the need of intermediaries such as banks, financial institutions by allowing parties to conduct direct transactions. Users can connect with financial apps such as lending and borrowing platforms in DeFi system without relying on centralized institutions. This means that customers have more control over their financial holding and can deal with all the users directly rather than through the intermediary. The second application is non-fungible token or NFTs. A non-fungible token is a sort of digital asset that symbolizes a one-of-a-kind item or piece of content, such as a piece of artwork, music, or video. In contrast to fungible tokens such as Bitcoin, which are interchangeable and have the same value, NFTs are one-of-a-kind and cannot be copied. They are based on blockchain technology and have grown in popularity in recent years. NFTs offer a wide range of applications including art, collectibles. NFTs have enabled artists to sell their digital artwork as a valuable and one-of-a-kind asset with some piece fetching millions of dollars. The third application is supply chain management. Web 3.0 has the potential to alter supply chain management by making it more transparent and skilled. By embracing blockchain technology, Web 3.0 can improve supply chain management by providing a safe, decentralized, and transparent means to track and verify transactions. Supply chain can be made more transparent by employing blockchain-based solutions, allowing customers and business to follow the movement of the goods and service in real time. This can help to reduce fraud, errors, and waste in supply chain, as every transaction is recorded and verified. The final application is digital identity. Web 3.0 has the ability to completely transform how we manage digital identification. Self-congruent identification (SSI) systems are one method that Web 3.0 can be used for digital identity. Users of SSI systems can build and manage their own digital identity, which is kept on a decentralized blockchain network. Users can choose the personal data they want to share with whom they want to share it, and they can cancel access at the moment. This can improve privacy and security when reducing the likelihood of identity theft and data breaches.